girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get peace. You just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get peace.
How can I love somebody else? How can I love somebody else?
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the book. 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
Bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, trend and get the loot. Pull up with that Draco, I was breaking, I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a fruit. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug and vitamin. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Silver Robinson. Shot to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray 'em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy that I can steal the stash sheet.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house. For what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around. For what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. You played me, throw down dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved it. We were waiting, I wasn't rushing. Different.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous 99J 13x4 lace front unit. And one thing that I have to talk about off top before I talk about anything else is the fact that this is a true 13x4 lace frontal unit, meaning that you get the entire frontal, which I love, because a lot of times when you get these units, they really kind of skimp you out on the lace. They give you what I call a horseshoe lace front, meaning that majority of your parting space is in the middle and then you get about an inch on the side. This one is a true 13x4 frontal. Like if you were to buy a frontal and some bundles and put them together, you would get this. So I love that about it. The other thing that I obviously like about this unit is the color. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. I really do like it. It's just like a rich wine type of color, and it's just all in all a gorgeous look. And I do also like the length for this one. Now this unit is very long, and you guys know me, I love long units, and I would say this one is definitely about like 26 inches or so, and it's not too thin, it's not too thick either. It's just like the perfect density. I love that about it. Now I'm not sure on the density, but I would say this is around 180 to 200% density. Make sure you guys check out that description box down below, because that is where I will correct myself if I am wrong. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me, and for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. So yeah, it's super long. Okay. And then this is where it's hitting on me in the back. So like I said, it's a very long unit. Like I said, it's a very long unit, super long. Love the length for this one. And it almost gives like a 30-inch vibe, because like it's like super long. On camera, it may look like it's red, but it's definitely like a 99J color. It's burgundy, but yeah, on camera it just looks a little bit brighter than what it is. And I did turn the lighting down, but I still have studio lights on me, so it just makes the colors look a little bit different than what they are. But yeah, this is an up close look at the lace and everything. At first I wasn't gonna do baby hair, but then I was like, I don't know, it's kind of boring with nothing right there. So I added a little bit of baby hair in the front, nothing crazy. And then the rest of it is just regular, degular, schmegular. And I really do like how the lace melted, but I did melt my lace today using the Ebon Wonder Lace Spray. I've been trying this out on a couple of my units, and I actually do like it. It is pretty sticky, so if your lace is lifting up or anything, this will definitely help like melt your lace back down. But yeah, this is what that is giving. And I did put some concealer in my part, as you guys saw. I just used this old e.l.f. concealer that I have, and then I just used this angled eyeliner brush to help like with my part, and it just made it like super straight and perfect, and it definitely helped make it stand out a little bit more. But yeah, I do like the lace in this unit. I'm actually gonna come up close so you guys can see the parting space, because I did tell you guys that this is a true 13x4 frontal. So let's get into that. Let me show y'all exactly where the tracks start at, because I like to do that a lot in my videos. I like to show y'all what the true tea is. So the tracks start back here. So you get all of this space in the front, and it's just bomb. Like, I love that, because it's so rare these days that you actually can get a unit like this that's like pre-made, unless you like make it yourself, because a lot of times like they just give you this part in the front and then it's just like nothing on the side. I do like how silky straight this unit flat ironed out as well. This is just a really gorgeous unit. Like, it goes without saying, honestly. I just really love this color. I really like this on me. I should wear red hair more often. I don't know why I don't, but I might start doing that a little bit more this year. Y'all might see me in red and blonde hair a lot more, because you know, I just like switching my looks up, and I like having a different kind of vibe, and I feel like different colored hair just brings out like different personalities in you. You know, you just feel like a new woman, a different type of woman. And yeah, like when I was wearing that blonde hair not too long ago, girl, I was like really feeling myself, I'm not gonna lie. And this red hair is just doing the same thing to me. But I think since this hair is so long like this, I should have crimped it. Like, I think crimping it would have looked a little bit better. But you know, maybe I can do like a get ready with me or something, and I'll crimp this hair and like wear out and about with y'all in a vlog. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I don't have any cons. But also, as far as the construction of this unit, like I said, this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. It does come with combs. It also comes with an elastic band inside, but the elastic band in this unit is not adjustable, so that's the only downside I would say. So I would hope that they can make it adjustable, because it's better that way, because you can make it tighter or looser. And I feel like with this, it's just like a one size fits all kind of situation. And for me, it's actually not really doing anything for me, because it's still a little bit loose for me, because you guys know I have a smaller head. So I just pretty much use the adjustable straps in the unit to like make the unit tighter. But the elastic band that they put in there, they should definitely make that adjustable so that we can loosen it up. You guys already know, like, a lot of companies are doing that now, and I really do appreciate that extra feature. But I would just say, like, you know, let's make that adjustable. But other than that, I really do like it. As you guys can see, it's not like tangling up on me. It's very silky straight. It's just gorgeous. If you would like to give it a try yourself and you're interested in checking it out, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Megalook Hair, for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.